Well, we have another new elevated railroad today, so testing time. Still going. And that's the problem with going full speed. It makes it up the hill just fine, but when it comes to this curve, it causes great problems. Kaboom. This grade is actually very well crafted for having trains go up. But going down, trains can derail if going over full speed. Yeah, you could see the problem with this first iteration of the track. I mean, going this direction, it takes the first hill fine, but going downhill and you get that. So, yeah, I'm gonna need to make lots of improvements and adjustments to make this train go up this hill easier and also not derail when it comes to this corner. So hold please while I make a bunch of adjustments. A lot of modifications later and we have this. And it works a lot better. I also shallowed this curve so that always trains aren't less likely to derail when coming along this curve now. I'm quite proud with this design. I think this will work very well for filming the video now. Still struggles a little bit, but most of the major problems are over. Now, of course, I also need to check clearance. It works pretty well. But with the pantograph on... Oh. Well, I guess that works, actually. The train only really works the best if you have the pantograph lying flat on this layout. But of course, we also need to test the Metro liner. It also works good without pantographs. But with them, not quite. Take 2, and with a little bit of adjustments, it just about makes it. Now, of course, we need to test the Metro liner on all of these grades. Looks like a charm. Come on. Come on. There you go. Last vehicle to test in this video is the new and improved Camera Train Mark V. Now with lights. So that's kind of a bad first impression on the new version of the Camera Train. But I can kind of chalk that up to it needing new batteries. So yeah, hold please while I get this guy some new batteries. I'm going to need to fix that. Okay, fresh batteries worked a little bit too well. Okay, fresh batteries on this train works a little bit too well. So well, in fact, that they took out both of the signals. Oh well, that's an easy fix. I can just swap out the 2x3 plates that I had with these 2x4 plates here. And that should eliminate the possibility of the camera train accidentally knocking over the signals. And that should be all for today's video. Tune in a few days to watch my full showcase of this layout without any interruptions. And yeah, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you guys on the showcase.